The presence of groundwater during excavations usually causes two kinds of problems. Problems relating to structural issues of the works themselves, concerning subsequent changes in implementation costs. For all of these reasons, lowering and controlling the groundwater head are among the top priorities for the construction company in the preliminary study stage. Indeed, an accurate preliminary survey of the subsoil, focused on accurately assessing the hydrogeological conditions of the area in which the excavation will be carried out, is vital for correctly sizing the groundwater drainage systems. Once drainage systems have been defined and correctly sized, we move to the next step, that is, installation of well point systems. This demonstration video shows and explains all the operations required to properly install a well point system. The first operation on the construction site is laying the suction pipe system. This must be carried out as close as possible to the excavation's perimeter while complying with any construction site requirements. It's essential that the whole system of pipes is laid as horizontal, that is, with as little slope as possible, so as to minimize suction head, which is the key cause of reduced performances of the suction pump. Suction pipes, like all parts of the system, feature quick link couplings at both ends, whose purpose is to speed up assembling. These couplings make it extremely easy to connect all elements, thus guaranteeing the perfect seal the system needs. Once the pipes have been correctly connected, it's time to move to installation of the filtering points. It's important to stress that clay soils and all soils with a more compact matrix compared to ordinary sand may require use of special hydraulic helical augers in order to facilitate installation operations. Our augers are equipped with universal joints and can therefore be installed on any excavator with suitable power. The auger, after installation, will be used to drill the installation pre-hole up and easily drill the various layers of soil to the depth required for filtering points installation. After drilling the pre-hole, proceed to install the filtering points. Remember that this operation is crucial to ensure a good soil draining. This operation should be carried out using a special purpose jetting pump. It often occurs that in the space between the installed well points and the static level of the water table, there may be non-homogeneous ground layers, impermeable intercalations, or clay lentils that block the suction of the water towards the filters. If this happens, after installing the well point at the required depth using the jetting pump as before, reduce pumped water pressure by filling the hole with sand of a suitable particle size, by keeping the jetting running until the operation is completed. In doing so, the pre-filter, that is the sand column built around the well point, will basically connect all the ground layers standing above the water, thus helping the suction of the water towards the filter and preventing clogging caused by silts in the hole, and connect it to the suction pipe using the flexible joint. It's necessary to calibrate the system soon after startup in order to prevent filtering points sucking water together with air from the underground. During calibration, check the passage of water through the suction flexible, and if there are air bubbles inside the water, reduce the suction cross-section using the relevant water flow tap mounted on the suction pipe. Proper calibration ensures that the system will suffer only minimal load losses during operation, thus reducing the workload of the vacuum pump, ensuring it operates at maximum power, and also reducing servicing needs. After completing installation, the pump, thanks to its continuous uninterrupted operation, ensures a quick water drainage and subsequent lowering of the groundwater head.